Find the best cordless drills at Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product I scored and buy. I am going to review top 5 best cordless drills on the market. 5. URCERI Cordless Drill 16 pieces bits with flexible shaft. High torque. It comes with LED lights. Affordably priced. 4. BLACK+DECKER LDX 120C Cordless Drill. Variable speeds for countersinking. Less fatigue due to its lightweight. Comes with a carrying case. 3. DEWALT DECK240C2 Cordless Drill Driver, 1.3R. Increased visibility. Light in weight. The motor produces high power. 2. Makita CT225R 18 volts Cordless Combo Kit. Easy to carry. Provides high torque. Easy to operate. 1. Bosch 12 volts cordless drill with 2 lithium-ion batteries. Produces high power. Easily portable. Guaranteed durability. Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.